Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this two-piece system here from CAMPLUX. It's actually got an instant hot water heater here along with the dolly that they provided, which this dolly makes this thing absolutely fantastic, especially if you're a camper and you had an off-grid type setup that you're wanting to go out and use, because you can actually attach onto this using these holes an external pump. So you don't even have to provide your own water. You can easily provide it from a source or a spring or anything like that. It does have a nice mount for the propane there that you can simply strap on and lock in place with that chain, and it sits down in this nice piece here, and it's got these 10-inch pneumatic wheels that simply allow you to roll and traverse a lot of various terrains because they are air-filled wheels, and that will get you where you need to be, and everything is all nicely kept in this setup, which I really like. This one here is really nice because this is a smaller unit, but it does come with the shower head attachment. And this attaches on the bottom here via a quick connect down here at the bottom, so you can simply disconnect or attach that back on. Okay, hold on, start it. So down here at the bottom there's a quick connect. You can simply disconnect that if you need to, and then just simply push it back on via a quick connect there. That way you've got access to that. I've gone ahead and attached this on to a garden hose out here at my house using a female to female connector that I provided, but they do provide you with the threads to connect a female connection on or connect a piece on that you can use your external pump using a worm drive clamp and clamp it on there, so that you have a lot of different options as far as getting that put together. Now, by simply attaching your propane on here and turning this on, you've got your flow of water. You've got a digital display on here. You can now just simply turn this on and it will actually go ahead and ignite, and you can adjust it up or down depending on how temperature you want to have. But I mean, this is already getting warm. I want to kind of show you real quick how quickly this is here. This is getting nice and warm here, so I could already take a shower with this. I'll go ahead and fill up a little bit of water to kind of show you here. When I shut this off, it shuts off the gas. But now, even in just pulling water out of the garden hose here, it's already registering about 93 degrees coming out of there already in just a matter of a few seconds. If you let this go on longer, it of course gets a lot warmer. I do like the fact that as soon as you shut off the water, it shuts off. When I turn back on the water, it's going to automatically turn back on, and it's going to go ahead and it's cold right now, and now it's warm again. So you have almost instant hot water with this, and this could be used out in the wilderness or wherever you're wanting to use it, and you can adjust your temperature on here up to 149 degrees depending on how hot you want to have it. So that's really great. And they do provide you, of course, with this other storage unit here. You've got the ability to wrap cords around so you can get that set up, store your hose on there out by your campsite, disconnect things on here, and then you're ready to go. So if you had additional hoses and things like that you're wanting to wrap around, it provides you a lot of nice ability for that as well. So really liking the whole setup here from CAMPLUX. Again, this is a dolly piece that they sell, and it works with several of their CAMPLUX models as far as their external ones here, because it's got those mounting holes. So not just necessarily this model, which is great. This one here has worked out really well for us so far. This would be great for washing your dog. It'd be good for taking a shower or just camping out off grid. Thank you guys again for sending in.